I could say I love you, but I said cookity-choo. I could say I love you, but cookity-choo gives my heart to you. When you're near, the sun shines bright, daisies dance in sheer delight. When you smile into my eyes, hypnotize, mesmerize, you're the one I adore. Cookity-choo means so much more than I love you. I was tripping along on a prayer and a song. Who'd have thought you'd come along? Cookity-choo is my special love for you.
Jetzt musst du schauen. Jetzt musst du überall schauen. Wie geht's dir?
Ist dann mühsam, so einen nebendran.
Wirklich?
Hier geht's uns super.
Ja, das ist ja gut.
Das wollen wir noch mehr. Sonne, Auto fahren.
Und daheim schiffen wie am Morgen.
Gute Leute.
Daheim gibt es Überschwemmungen.
Ja, das verstehe ich nicht. Das ist so. Ja, aber darum haben wir es gesagt, die Taxi müssen weg. Schon richtig so. Sie versteckt sich.
Sie bescheisst, hä?
Schon.
When you're near, the sun shines bright, daisies dance in sheer delight. When you smile into my eyes, hypnotize, mesmerize, you're the one I adore. Cookity-choo means so much more than I love you. I was tripping along on a prayer and a song. Who'd have thought you'd come along? Cookity-choo's my special love for you. Cookity-choo's my special love for you.
Ja, sehr gerne.
Etwas anderes, ja. Schinken. Ernsthaft?
Let's talk about just these days. I press the train with my collie, my hat, my waterproof mat. I'm prepared for a hurricane. Let's talk about the weather. It's out of control. If I could, here's what I'd do. When I hear distant thunder roll, put all the storms in a teacup with the sugar on the side. Spoon it in, stir it up, leaving only sunny rise. Weather is out of the question, it hasn't got a clue. Season up, don't get blue. Dress for rain, that's what I do. about the weather, 'cause these days I dress for rain. With my brolly, my hat, my waterproof neck, I'm prepared for a hurricane. Let's talk about the weather, it's out of control. If I could, here's what I'd do when I hear distant thunder roll. Put all the storms in a teacup with the sugar on the side. Spoon it in, stir it up, leaving only sunny rise. Weather is out of the question, it hasn't got a clue. Season up, but don't get blue. Dress for rain, that's what I dress for.